talk about how do we go about sending emails using SMTP using the modern authentication. So let me go through the application, the GitHub repo that I have downloaded recently. So if you see, I have already downloaded the code created by David Bannon, and I made few changes to this code and push this code to my repository by asking the users for tenant ID and the client ID. Okay, so you'll need to enter these details in order to move forward. So this app basically would send an email using SMTP, but the authentication would be done through the modern auth. Okay, so before we do anything and run this application, we'll need to set an app on Azure AD. Okay, so if you would like to authenticate SMTP using Postman, we have another video on this channel. You can check that out. So for now, you can go ahead and open Azure portal and create a new app registration. So here I am on Azure Active Directory. Click on new. So the new registration is there. Click on new. Name the app. I'll be naming simple sample SMTP. Okay, and click on register. All right, so once you have these details, go to the authentication tab and click on add platform. Make sure you add mobile and desktop application. And here you need to provide the redirect URL. So if you are hosting this on the local system, you need to copy this local host and paste it over here. Oh, I'll copy that and paste it over here. Click on configure. It gets added over here, and make sure you enable this public client flow. This is important for the authentication to take place. And click on save. So once you save this detail, go back to the overview section, and now we are ready to run this application. So if you look at the application closely, we are only taking tenant ID and the client ID from the user, and then you are using this two details to authenticate SMTP using OAuth, which is a modern authentication. And once we get the token for SMTP, we are using that token to send an email. Okay, so in this particular case, we would be sending email to ourselves. All right, so let's get started. I'll click on run. So this will launch the console and it will ask us for a tenant ID. First of all, yeah, so it is asking for the tenant ID. So I'll go back here and copy the tenant ID and paste it over here. Okay, now it is asking for the client ID. I'll copy the client ID as well and paste it over there. It will request the access token and it will open the interactive code flow. Here it is asking me for my login details. I'll log in with my account, and now it is giving me a consent page where it is showing me all the consent, all the scopes this app has been asking me. So I'll click on accept. Once I accept it, the authentication gets completed and I can go back to the app. Here I get the OAuth XOR2 token. Okay, along with all the other details. And once this is completed, it says the mail has been successfully sent. So if I go back to the app and check my email, it should be there. Yeah, so the mail is there, which is just been received. Okay, so this was all for now for this particular video, including sending an email using OAuth SMTP using the modern auth. So if you need the explanation to the code, please do let me know, and I'll be happy to explain this code detail. All right. If you guys have any other questions, please do let me know, and I'll be happy to help.